That could be on the ground here near 157, coming up towards Bradford, Arkansas. We'll double check that one here in a minute. It was on the ground earlier. Is going to get an extension here. Yeah, not seeing that debris signature. Oil Trough, Newport, Diaz, Tuckerman, Grubbs, all under this tornado warning. So new tornado warning here in Arkansas. And then in Jonesboro, now under a PDS tornado warning for a storm that is over by Newport. Whoa. Newport and Diaz, you guys need to be in your safe space. There is a big tornado right there. Just north of Diaz. There it is, tornado. Power flashes. I think we still have it on our stream. We have a big tornado on our stream. I think we had an internet glitch here again, so hopefully you guys are seeing this. But there's another power flash right here. It's back in here just next to the Arkansas dot camera, or logo. Oh, there it is. It's off to the side of the Arkansas dot cam, right there. When the lightning flashes, you can see it illuminated. This is approaching Tuckerman, Smith, A. Smith Edition. Looks like it just went north of Diaz. Now on our Arkansas DOT cam, it's a large stovepipe tornado. Oh, there it is. It's off to the side of the Arkansas dot cam, right there. When the lightning flashes, you can see it illuminated. That was one of the better shots of a tornado captured on our live streams because our Diaz camera here is looking north along the highway, and the highway then curves, and this tornado has come across this way. So yeah, I guess we're right here looking straight north into that tornado. That was probably one of those stronger tornadoes I think we've captured on this stream. That looked like a very strong tornado. Even at night, you could see a violent side-to-side motion of the condensation funnel. So this is still on the ground here as a PDS tornado on the ground here near Tuckerman. That'll be approaching Cache. If it stays together, Jonesboro and Bono.